everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix Microsoft Store app not working on Windows 10. So if you're having trouble launching Microsoft Store, there are a few ways how you can solve this issue. The first thing is you need to reset the Microsoft Store cache. To do that, you tap on the start icon or the Windows logo key on your screen. Click that. Then you need to type in on the search bar run. Press enter. This will open the run dialog box. There you need to type in wsreset.exe and press OK. A blank command prompt window will open, and after about 10 seconds the window will close and Microsoft Store will open automatically. As you can see, once after the blank command prompt window open, it closes itself and open the Microsoft Store on your Windows screen. This is one way how you can fix it. If this option did not work out for you, what you can do is you can make sure Windows has the latest update. If your Windows 10 version is lower than 15063, you'll need to update Windows, or you need to go to the www.microsoft.com/store and press enter. To check your Windows screen, look for the OS build in here, and you can update your Microsoft Windows from here. If your updates for Windows were recently installed, you need to restart your PC before you can install app from Microsoft. So you can try restarting your Windows if you have just recently installed the updated Windows. This will help you solve the issue. So these are the few options. The another one what you can do is you can check your time and location setting. For that, you need to click on the time and setting and then choose the adjust time and date. Now here you can just click on the set time automatically. Hopefully this might solve the issue as well. Hope this video was useful on how you can fix Microsoft Store app not working. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates.